Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on crypto.com's DeFi wallet in 2025. For that, you will have to simply launch your crypto.com DeFi wallet, and here on the homepage, you will see the option of buy crypto. So you need to tap on buy crypto, and from this top coins list, you just have to simply tap on Bitcoin. Now, in order to view it, the current price of Bitcoin, you just have to simply take a look at the right side where you will see its current price. So once you tap on it, you will be landed on this page where you need to enter the amount in USD that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin. You can even use these presets in the bottom for convenience, and you can even enter your own amount. After doing so, you just have to simply select whether you want to purchase your crypto with the help of crypto.com application, or you want to connect your crypto.com app account with it. So in order to make the transaction happen, you will have to first add your crypto.com account with it. So you need to tap on connect, and then you just have to check these boxes and tap on the connect option. Once you do this, it will redirect you in your web browser where you will have to provide your crypto.com email account and other credentials, and then you will have to basically connect your crypto.com account with the DeFi one. Now, once the connection is established successfully, you need to tap on the next option in the bottom, and on the next page, you just have to simply confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is confirmed, you will have to simply select the payment method and conclude it. Once the payment is concluded, you will get your Bitcoin in your DeFi wallet and it will show up on the home page. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.